Okay, to like, damn it. Back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Pam, and this is my beauty and travel space and fashion. Let's just call it the Pam space, right? Because I do have my travel vlogs on here, as I keep trying to let you guys know in case you haven't checked those out. Check them out. So today, I was like, what should we film today? I'm kind of trying to see if I could get ready. I'm going to hang out with my friend and yeah, take the rest of the day off. I've been working like crazy. So yeah, I kind of wanted to do a chit chat, get ready with me, if you will. I'm not sure exactly what palette we should use. I'll probably go with the JamesCharles Morphe because it's like the easiest to deal with, you know? So yeah. So what are you guys up to today? How's your day going? You guys, I swear I'm getting some sort of like allergic reaction. I have like these red splotches all over my face. I woke up with them. I'm a little worried. I hope I'm okay. Okay, so we wanna, you know, cover that up. So let's go right into foundation. So yeah, I already prepped and primed my skin. I'm going right into my foundation now. My Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Valencia. And I'm just putting that right in the back of my... I'm just going to work in parts today, so I'm just going to pump it on the back of my... And right there. So yeah, I have no idea. I honestly did a whole like foundation on kind of routine for my Instagram, but I don't know because every product that I used was actually something I've used before, so I don't know. So today I'm actually getting my hair cut even shorter. Really what my goal is to, I still have keratin treatment in my hair, which I really want to just cut it all out. So yeah, today's like phase 2. I'm cutting off another inch and then next month another inch. I think I should be okay with getting all of that stuff out of my hair. But for now, I'm trying to just wig it. You feel me? Okay, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. So yeah, I feel like I really want to try to do the curly thing, even though I know I'm going to straighten my hair at least twice a month. But I definitely have to take better care of my hair. I get lazy. And I'm not trying to do like the big chop or anything like that. So I'll deal with my little wigs and I'll deal with it my way, you know? I know there are a lot of people who like transitioned into natural, like that slowly, like I'm doing. Let me put all this friggin' hair back. I watched the video yesterday from, because now I'm like trying to perfect this little line thing. Even though I swear I got shaky hands. What is that thing that you get that's like you naturally have shaky hands? I seriously feel I do. I never had it before and I have not had coffee today, so that tells you a lot. But yeah, I watched the Scott Barnes and Tati video. Boy, did I learn a lot. And I want all his brushes and I want all his products. He is a living legend, like seriously a legend. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this brush to contour. I'm just pushing that right into my hairline, or whatever my hairline is right now, because like I said, but yeah, in the video with Tati and Scott Barnes, he literally left on her contour like the whole time. I mean, he didn't explain how he went about taking it off, but he did explain like he puts his he does all his contouring and highlighting under his foundation, and then he does foundation. I'm gonna try that for a video. I'm such a punk though. Today I'm going out, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna try it, but it sounds interesting, and I think I've done that before. I don't know. My memory's so bad, but I'm definitely gonna try and just check it out, see how natural it looks, if I like it, and I'll do it with you guys. Let's try it the Scott Barnes way. So yeah, he also talked about like his new foundation, which I believe it was sold. Oh no, the reason I didn't go out and purchase it was because I'm just worried about buying the wrong skin tone. Then I'll be so upset because I'm gonna want to use it at that moment. So I'll be worried about buying the wrong shade. So I definitely have to find out if they have it in stores, so then I can try to purchase it that way, so I can try on a couple of different colors and see what best suits me. Especially since, you know, it's officially spring. So yesterday, I was in such a hurry that I did not moisturize my skin, and I swear I got 2 pimples from it, from not moisturizing. That's crazy, you guys. My skin is so high maintenance now. Ooh. I definitely want to invest in an essence. I feel like that's one of the steps that's missing in my skincare reg. It's really all about skin, and then it's second about makeup. I mean, to get like that flawless look, you know? And I'm still got so much working on my skin to do. I'm going to conceal these bad boys. My eyebrows look crazy, guys. So crazy. So crazy. I'm just using my Hudabeauty Overachiever Concealer. I think I'm gonna just start counting all the planes that pass by over here. Fucking planes. So I want to start another channel doing mukbangs, but I'm on a diet, so you see like the maybe that might not workness in that. I don't know, I just really love watching them. I would love to like partake in them. Why not, right? But I don't think I'll be uploading there as often as here, because obviously makeup is like my #1. But and like the traveling stuff. But mukbang channels are just so cool. I want to be a mukbang channel. But yeah, I'm spraying my face with Fix Plus and Goldlite from MAC. Y'all know the deal. Just because of the shit that I woke up with on my freaking face. What the fuck? Where are you? You are not welcome here, Mr. Situation. I want to film a no mirror makeup challenge. I love watching those. They're so funny to me. I feel like that Pretty Vulgar setting powder, I think it kind of like shows my pores even more, like sinks in them and makes them protrude. So I'm gonna try using the Huda Beauty only today. I feel like I also want to start doing my SFX makeup. For you guys who, I know some people are like either into it or not. Honestly, I feel like I want to do like 1 week of beauty, 1 week of SFX, just because I have to do some SFX, because I wouldn't be living the way I want to live right now if I didn't incorporate some sort of SFX into, I'm going to try it for a month and see how you guys like it, obviously, and go from there. I definitely want, what is this? What are you? If you guys don't know, that's honestly my first love, SFX. It's the reason I started getting into makeup. Just watching scary movies was like my ultimate favorite thing in the world. when I was young, weirdly enough. I think the only time I really started reducing the amount of scary movies I would watch was when I lived alone. Because when you live alone and you watch scary movies and then you fall asleep and then you have a nightmare, like, you're so screwed because everyone's sleeping. No one's gonna answer your freaking phone call, right? The Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. I'm gonna go right into Cold James. I'm picking up my Morphe M433 brush. Picking my MAC 217 brush. I'm gonna go right into the color that was right next to it. I hate that I have to pick this up. 10% off, and just deepen that up. It looks like that. Into the crease as well, but I'm trying to just keep that right in there. Like, I don't want to blend that out too much. So now I'm just blending out those edges using my M433. Okay, now I'm going in with an even darker color. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with No Beans and just a tad bit Benny. Benny is probably gonna be as dark as it's gonna get. Starting off with No Beans first, and just tapping that right into here. Tap and swirl. I'm gonna hold on and not use No Beans yet because I want to see which way I'm going with my life right now. This will have to do. So I'm just picking up the, as always, No Filter concealer, and I'm just gonna apply it right here and a little on my hand. A little bit of a cut crease, more than half, and then I just kind of took the rest of mine and I just, you know, just flicked it out. That's it. So I'm gonna pick up that yellow that I told you I wanted to dig into today. So I'm digging into B, and I'm putting that all on that first part of my eye. And you're just gonna pat that color on. Okay, so before I finish this eye, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the other eye. So it should look something like this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pick up, it's a little messy, but I'm gonna go back in with it. I'm picking up some of No Beans, actually, and just put that right on the outer part of right here and kind of like put it into it. Just like with a light hand, I'm kind of like going into that color. I'm then picking up my M433 and I'm just going to buff that out. And right next, I'm actually going to pick up that first original color. So I'm picking up that last very dark color, the one that I mentioned to you guys. Benny. And I think I'm just gonna go right here, just on the outside of that. So it's very dark. And I'm flicking that up a little bit. I don't know if I want to do a line, a wing or not, but keeping it out here, just on the outside, and I'm also bringing that to the bottom lash line, and I'm connecting those two. So I just brought that to just like the outer edge right here, this little area, and then right here, just like the outer part of your eye. So it should look something like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. So just going in with the Made. I cannot show you guys because this shit is all broken up. Have you guys ever received like something that you were waiting for a long time and you received it all broken up? Can you relate? Cause it's such a pretty highlight though that I can get over the part that it's broken. Okay. And I'm just gonna do my eyeliner as always. Not gonna talk through this, so get your life. And put on these lashes. Oh, child. Lashes always complete a look. Like, it can really take a look from like, okay, to like, damn bitch. I've been loving my old combo, Quickie and Come On Sis from Colourpop. But yeah, so together they make the perfect nude for me. Do you guys like Colourpop lipsticks? How do you feel about them? So yeah, you guys, this is my final look. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. I can't believe we made it to 1K. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching.